I'll be making Jamaican jerk flavored lentil vegan patties. So here I'll be getting my flour ready. So I'm going to be sifting 3 cups of flour. To the flour, I'll be adding a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons turmeric, and 1 teaspoon curry. And I'm going to be adding a 1/4 cup of butter. I'm also going to be adding 1 teaspoon of oil. You could use shortening, but I don't have shortening, so I'm going to use a little oil. I'm just incorporating the butter into the flour. So doing the butter like this helps the crust to get this nice flaky crust. So right here I have 1.5 cup of water. Or you could also use milk, but I'm using water today. I'm just going to be slowly adding my water, and it's cold water.
I'm very involved in this.
What my dough look like. And I'll be placing it in a plastic bag. So I'm using a black bag. And I'll put it in my fridge for 30 minutes. I already boiled it, so I'm just gonna fill up my lentils. So if you have a food processor, you could use it. seasoning to put on my lentil. So right here I have some onion, some carrots, and some scallions. I also gonna add some thyme, dry thyme, and some garlic. Adding a half of vegetable boiling. So now I'm going to be having my lentil. Adding some seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, some black peppers, adding jerk seasoning, the carrot spice, some powdered garlic. I'm going to be adding some jerk seasoning. I'm going to be having at least about 2 tablespoons of jerk seasoning. If I wasn't adding jerk seasoning, I'd be adding some Scotch bonnet, but the jerk seasoning is already pepper, so I don't need to add any more pepper to it. Wow, this tastes so good. Ooh. Jerk seasoning and add that extra kick to it. So I'm gonna leave it to cook a little. Then I'll start preparing my dough again. This is what my dough looks like. I just take it out of the fridge. So I'll just be dusting my area with some flour, and I'll be rolling out my dough. So this is how you roll it. You don't want it sticking to the rolling pin. So you can flip it and roll. So we flour it because you don't want it sticking to the rolling pin. So it's a big dough. Oh, this dough is huge. So I'm going to be adding some butter, and I'll be folding it in and rolling it out again. rolling it out again. Rolling in all that butter. So I'm going to be adding one more layer of butter. I'm just going to be folding it again. And then I'm going to be popping this in the fridge for extra 30 minutes.
That's a lot of work. What? That's not fair, Mommy.
Making patties a lot of work?
Yes.
Yeah?
I want patties now.
And what are you doing?
Make patties. I mean...
You're making patties?
I'm trying to get crockery. Oh, you're trying to record me now. Because I see your hand on the red thing, and I can see it from over there. I can see the recording. You're recording.
So the dough is already finished rolling out, so just gonna shape out my patties. oven on 375 degrees, and I'll be baking it for 20 to 25 minutes. Patty coming out of the oven. So there they are. There they are. Juicy but juicy. Hi, Patty. Nice stuff. So how long left?
This is way too spicy.
Really?
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like,
share,
and subscribe.
And do remember to click the notification bell
for regular updates.